guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that has absolutely nothing to do with makeup because I thought it'd be fun. So I honestly have no idea how this is going to go because I've never tried it before, but I thought it'd be fun to try it on camera and just make a video about it. Ever since I saw Jenna Marbles do her acrylic pour video, I have been watching acrylic pours constantly on YouTube. They're just super satisfying and super relaxing to watch, and I think they turn out really beautiful. So I have been wanting to make one so badly because I just think they're gorgeous and so cool. So now that I'm home and actually have access to a craft store, I went and bought everything that I needed to make an acrylic pour. So I'm gonna try it out. I don't know how it's gonna turn out at all, so I mean, I guess we'll just figure it out. So yeah, if you guys want to see me attempt to do an acrylic pour, then keep on watching. So I went to the craft store to pick up everything that I needed for acrylic pours based on articles that I've read. I did some research about what I needed and videos that I've watched. So yeah, what I picked up was first Liquitex. So what I've learned from watching videos is that you need this is called a flow aid or a fluid medium to help the paints pour more easily, because as is, acrylic paints are not liquidy enough to actually pour and make the acrylic pour correctly. So you just grab this to mix with the paints. So yes, I have Liquitex here, and then I grabbed a few colors of acrylic paints. I grabbed white because every video I watched they were like, you need to have white in it, it's just going to make it look better, and I want mine to be a little bit brighter. I'm trying to make it so that it can go in my apartment, and I was kind of going for this kind of theme when designing my apartment, so that's what I'm going for with the acrylic pour as well. So I just have a large bottle of white. I grabbed two different pink colors. I grabbed this pink, which is a lighter pink, which is more like the color of my decor, so more of the theme color that I'm going for. And then I also grabbed this pink, which is a little bit darker than that one, just because I wanted to have a little bit of contrast. So I have those two pinks, and both of these are kind of metallic paints because I think that will look pretty. And then the other two paints that I grabbed are gold and silver. These two are metallic paints as well, and these ones just fit with the theme, so I'm gonna add a little bit of those and hopefully it'll turn out okay. I guess we'll find out. I don't know. I'm gonna struggle through it with you guys. And then just another couple things. I got just popsicle sticks to stir the paint with, and then canvases. And then of course you need a mat to put down so that you don't get paint everywhere. You'll see why if you've never seen what an acrylic pour is. There's tons of paint. Yeah, so then you also need just disposable cups to pour the paint into and to mix with your fluid medium. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started on painting. Okay, so we're here in my basement where I'm going to be doing the painting. So I have a big pan right here because I don't want to get paint everywhere. And then this right here is a vinyl tablecloth. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it in there like that. So hopefully we won't spill paint everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to try to add the paint. So I mixed 1 part Liquitex to 10 parts water. And then I'm adding the paint until I get a consistency that seems correct. The second one, since the white I had a bigger bottle of, the second one I completely ran out of, so I went ahead and I just took out some of the liquid from the rest of them, so hopefully that'll be a better ratio. Okay, so here are the paints. This is the darker pink here. You can kind of see the texture that I've done. Here is the lighter pink. Here's the gray, silvery color. Here's the white. Those were the two that I had too much liquid in. And then here's the gold. So the pouring technique that I'm gonna do is actually called a dirty pour, where you pour everything into a cup beforehand and then place the cup on the canvas upside down. Yeah, so I mean I haven't tried either of them, so I guess we'll see how this turns out. So here is my cup that I'm gonna use, and I'm just gonna start pouring stuff in here. I'm gonna start with the white because that's what I see people start with usually. I'm just gonna set it up on this cup here to hopefully catch what falls off. I'm just gonna lift up. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay, so now we pour. Isn't it so cool? Okay, so this is how this first one turned out. It looks so cool. I can see why people love this. I love it. It's so much fun. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna be making another one of these, like right now. So that type of pour was called a dirty pour. So now I think I want to try and do just a straight pour and see if that turns out different or not. I'm gonna start with the dark pink right now because that's just the one that my hand gravitated towards. Come back to me, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me, come back to me. No. And here is this one. Okay, so I think it's definitely safe to say that I like the dirty pour a lot better. This one is just not, I really just don't like this one. I'm going to just take the rest of the paint and put it in a dirty pour and hopefully get a good one as my last acrylic pour. So let's go ahead and do that. Stunning, love it, absolutely love it. Just gonna use my fingers to make sure I've gotten all the edges. And here is this one. So I just went ahead and cleaned everything up, and you can see that the way I did it with the tarp and the pan, I was able to clean everything super nicely. It looks all clean. You're welcome, Mom. So they've had a little bit of time to dry. They're obviously not completely dry yet, but I wanted to show you how they look so far, and then I'm gonna let them sit overnight and let you guys see how they look once they are dry in the morning. So here is the first one that we did. That is the first acrylic pour. So this is the second acrylic pour. This is the straight pour. And I kind of went back in and tried to fix it a little bit, and I like it a little bit better. Still not my favorite, but... Okay, so there's that one. And then here is the last one that I did, the second dirty pour. Super cool. So there's the third one. So there's all three. So yeah, I'm just gonna let these sit overnight, and I will show you how they look in the morning. Okay, good morning. It is the next day, and these are pretty much dry. They look so cool. So here's the first one I did. Here's the second one, looking a little bit better than before. And then the third one. Yes, they look so cool! Okay, so now I am done acrylic pouring, and that was so much fun. If you are not afraid of a little bit of mess, then I definitely recommend this. It's super relaxing and super fun, and you create like beautiful paintings, and I have like zero painting talent, so I'm really impressed that I was able to do this and like excited. Sorry, I'm looking at them over there. I like them so much. I'm so excited, and I would definitely recommend the dirty pour over the straight pour. This was a lot of fun. I mean, I had fun, and I'm glad that I filmed it because, I don't know, I just liked it. So hopefully you guys liked it too. Let me know if you want to see more just like random videos of me doing whatever I feel like doing, because I can definitely do that. So yeah, but there's definitely more makeup videos coming. I have a whole bunch stocked up and ready to go, so be sure to stay tuned for that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. So I honestly... Say hi.